Hey guys, so I'm going to be introducing your guys' personal finance project right now. And what this is it's going to be a semester-long project. Um, this one's important, guys. If you guys don't do this or you guys don't happen to pass it, it could cause you to not pass high school. Um, so take this seriously, guys. Um, so let's just jump into the directions. So, you guys are going to be leaving high school soon. You guys are going to be going to college, and you guys are going to need to get a job. You guys are going to start paying bills. You guys are going to start moving out, whatever the case may be. It's very important to get a hold of your budget before you actually start having to experience that stuff. That way, hopefully, you are in a little bit more financial stability. Um, So that's what this project's going to do. You guys are going to build a budget around either going to college and using the job that you hope to get with that degree. So if you want to go to school to be a teacher, you're going to be looking at jobs, teaching jobs, and you're going to be building a budget based off that income. And if you're going to straight to work, rather that be construction, you're going to look up the prices of what construction workers make and use that income as your income. Um, so this is going to be broken down into sections. Each section has to be typed up and it has to be 12-point font, double spaced, and printed. Now, each one of these you're going to get about a week to do. So PFP number one, we're going to assign it today, and you guys have until the 28th to get it done. Absolutely no late work is accepted, guys. If you know you're going to be absent, print it out and turn it in on Thursday. No late work is going to be accepted. We will work with you guys if you happen to get COVID, but only if it says that you guys are quarantining through Power School. Um, so right now we're going to be working on career and calculating monthly income budget. All right, guys. So this is the directions for this portion of the assignment. Again, 1.5 to 2 pages typed, double spaced, and 12-point font. What it is that you're going to be typing up is you're going to be answering these questions, guys. All of these ones right here. All right? And that's all going to be based off of whatever career it is that you choose. Rather that be you're going to school to be a teacher or a lawyer or whatever the case may be, or you're going straight into a job out of high school. Um, in order to do that, you guys are going to need to know a few things. First is where you're going to find the information. We already got some of the resources down for you. That's half the work, man. Um, so go visit those and see if you guys can find anything. And you're also going to need to know how to calculate your monthly income. Well, the first step is finding out how much they make. Okay? So let's just use the example of being a teacher again. Teachers make based off their years of experience. So it's going to be a wide range. So pick the lowest one. As soon as you pick the lowest one, you're going to multiply that number by 0.75. That accounts for the taxes and stuff, the portion that Uncle Sam is going to take. And then once you get that number, you're going to divide the net salary by 12. That's going to be your average monthly income. Okay? Again, all this needs to be typed up 1.5 to 2 pages, double spaced, 12-point font. However, there's another section to this that you guys are going to have to pay attention, and it's down here on the very last page. It is this right here, sample budget template. Okay? You guys are also going to be filling these building this and filling this out. All right, guys? So your monthly budget would be the numbers that you got from activity number one. You'd build this and just type in that number right there. Your monthly salary, same thing. And then you're going to go on from there. Okay? And this is the different stuff that you're going to be looking at: housing costs, groceries, how much you're going to eat out, transportation, which is gas, a car bill, whatever the case may be, other bills, health insurance, clothing. It's everything that you have right now that you might not think twice about. Um, this is the type of stuff that you're going to be talking about. And yeah. Again, guys, I cannot stress how important this assignment is. If you guys don't do it or you guys fail for some reason, you guys don't graduate. It's that important, guys. Um, that's pretty much it. Again, I'm gonna go back to the first portion of this assignment. And again, guys, we're gonna make this due on January 28th. And it's gonna be all of these questions answered, plus the creation and filling out of the sample budget template. Okay, guys?